Welcome back to the Landlords Workshop, where we solve problems with simple fixes, no guesswork. Today, we're going to troubleshoot a GE dishwasher that starts a cycle, then shuts off. That doesn't clean a thing. You might notice your dishwasher runs for a few minutes, but the dishes stays dirty, and the soap pod might still be sitting there untouched. I started with the basic. Check the drain line to see if it was clogged. Everything was clear. Next, I unplugged the turbidity sensor. That's the part that tells your machine how dirty the water is. Then I moved on to the water pressure sensor. That's where I struck gold, or grim to be exact. This little sensor was packed with gunk, hard water buildup, soap scum, and debris. It was so clogged that it could not read the water level correctly. And that caused the machine to stop the cycle early. I cleaned it thoroughly using a toothbrush, warm water, and a little vinegar to break down the buildup. After drying it off and putting it back in place, I started the dishwasher. The full cycle completed and everything came out sparkling. It turns out this one tiny part caused all the trouble. If your dishwasher isn't finishing cycle or your dishes aren't coming out clean, check out that pressure sensor. For a quick breakdown, the drain system in a GE dishwasher includes drain pump, which removes dirty water, the turbidity sensor, which measures how cloudy the water is, the water pressure sensor, which monitors fill level. If any of these parts get clogged or fail, your dishwasher may short cycle for safety. If you are still having trouble after clearing the pressure sensor, other symptoms could mean different issues, like no water filling, might point out to bad inlet valve or float switch, or a humming sound but no action could mean a jam motor. So before you call a tech or replace the whole machine, check the pressure sensor. It might be the quick fix that brings your dishwasher back to life. If this video helped you, give it a like, drop comment, and subscribe for more DIY landlord hacks that saves time and money. Thanks for watching the Landlords Workshop.